Oh yes, what brings me back to this sunny, shiny state of California? Well,
Spend the money we don't have.
I know I've been away for a while, but I know I told you about this car that I got. And well, today is the day that that car is gonna be taken out of the place that it has been sitting for 14 years. So I'm getting right now is the battery. Exciting, exciting, exciting. We're gonna have a new car, boys. Let's see what it is. So we got the battery charged overnight. Gonna go to the place, like I said, it's been sitting for how long, Father? 14 years? Been sitting since like 2009. All right, like I said, Japanese car. We're trying to keep it in the family, trying to keep it authentic. Like I said, we do not have the TRX anymore, and we don't have the GTI anymore. That was a tragedy on its own. But we're bringing it back to the JDM fam. Let's go get us a JDM legend. Quick pit stop. Have a good day of practice, honey. Destination. Oh yeah, we're in Cali, all right. Oh. This day has been supposed to come, what, a year and a half ago? Bought this thing a year and a half ago. Let's see, they pulled it out. And I don't know if you guys knew, but my dad bought that ranchero from the same person, and it was sitting right here.
You left already?
As you can see, we missed the owner. Wasn't here. He's the one that owns all of these cars in here, as you can see right now. But thought I'd give you a little bit of a backstory. Bought the car back in 2019. Sight off scene. My dad literally was walking back here, saw this car, called me, said, "Hey, do you know this car?" I said, "Yeah." I said, "Make him an offer." After a little bit of negotiating and a little backstory, apparently this car was his brother's, and he was a mechanic, and it was one of his clients' cars. Never picked it up. It sat there for 13 years. His brother never picked it up, left it there, wanted to get rid of it. So after a little negotiating, we get to bring back our second 30-plus-year-old car. Fortunately, the battery took a dump on us, so we'll have to come back the next day, and the owner wasn't there anyway, so have to come back tomorrow. All right, boys, today is the day. Yesterday was a bit of a fail, but today is the day where we actually go pick up the car. As you can see from yesterday, the car looks pretty good. Body is straight, no rust whatsoever. Inside, no sun damage to the interior. Only thing is just a little dusty, you know what I'm saying? But ain't nothing a little car wash can't fix. So we're gonna take real good care of this one. Apparently right now I just got a call from my dad that the guy is right there, is there to actually move all the cars and for us to get it on the trailer. Like I said yesterday, we tried to put the battery on and get it started, but we're not even going to try to attempt that right now. I am actually working, cut on time, still out here in LA working. So we're going to go hook it up to the trailer and get it back to the shop, to its permanent home. Let's go get it, boys. And we're back. Fresh battery. Gonna see if this motherfucker starts.
Luego chacha. Forget it. Te va a echar un agujero al, you know, al ente. Dile a ver qué nos vaya. Ahí viene. He's gonna take out. He's taking out. Ya movimos a Suburban. We just started back. Put the front door. We tried to get it started yesterday, but the fucking battery was gone. So I got no battery. Let me go.
Oh shit, bro, that's just clean, dude. Todo eso de show car, no? Todo eso. Ay, güey, he took everything out. No mames. He fucking took out the good boys, bro.
Turn it off and turn it on again.
I still don't hear a fuel pump. Oh, there it is. Yeah, here in the back seat.
Yeah.
It's going.
Turn it off again and turn it on again. Leave it on.
Ahorita va a salir un pinche cassette. Ready?
Yeah.
Want the clutch? I've been doing that shit. Fucking shit.
It's time for the moment you've been waiting for.
We're here to fuck shit up.
Preparing the Krabby Patty.
Hold on. Go. It started rolling back. The tires. Go. Hold on. It keeps going back. Yeah, go. That's why. Huh? They're not straight. That's what I told you. They're not straight. And then lock it. Wait.
No, you gotta straighten them out as I'm going. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna go reverse, see if they'll straighten out.
Go. Okay, yeah. There.
There?
Fucking keep this.
There. Okay.
Go. I'll check.
Well, let's check.
Huh? There's like what?
Whose car is that?
I have no clue.
I'm gonna fucking make it, bro.
That's
I don't know
full.
who that is. That's Cha-Cha.
Chacha, ¿sabes quién es ese carro? ¿El de allá? It's from across.
Okay, when it's twisting, all like on the side of the fucking doesn't
For now. See you over there, buddy. Cannot get over it. Cannot get over this shit, bro.
I don't know, I just woke up from a little nap. It's a little dark, but you guys silly? I'm still gonna send it.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh, hold on, my wipers are on. Why? Hold on, bro. How do I turn the fucking wipers off? Fucking scratch the fuck out of my shit, bro. Ready? Ready? Fuel pump?
Fuel pump, fuel filter, or fuse or something?
Well, I think it's the fuse for the pump. I don't know where that's at, but I'll figure it out. So which one is? That's a belt work? No, none of them. Huh?
Lighter, no ignition.
These are all different ones.
Yeah.
Ignition,
So it
starter,
can't be
battery.
ignition. It has to be your fucking. It has to be your fuel.
The main relay.
Right here. Ignition coil, DGI, soap fan, air conditioner.
Fuel pump over here. Right next to the battery. Fuel pump on the right.
This one here? Oh, looks good.
Looks good, right?
It don't look blown, no? It's good. So,
All right, well, it's time to put her away. I'm actually only in town for the week from Dallas, so couldn't really mess with it too long. I'm actually gonna have my family mechanic look at it, give it the tune-up that it desperately needs, and get her back and running. It's hard to actually buy this car and then say I have to put it away and not see it for a while, but I assure you that it'll be in Texas in my hands soon enough. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this content today, and hope you subscribe and like to see more of this 92 Nissan 300ZX in the future. Stay boosted.